Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive into a critical topic, setting up a project control system in Zoho Project. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be a pro at it. So let's get started. Firstly, log into your Zoho Project account. Make sure you have administrative privileges because they're necessary for setting up a project control system. This step is crucial because without access to the admin settings, you won't be able to customize and control your projects effectively. Now that we're in, navigate to the Settings option, usually located on the top right corner. This is where all the magic happens. The Settings section is the control room of your project. It's where you can manage all your project settings. Next up, click on the Projects tab. Here you're going to set up the general parameters for your project. This includes the project name, description, start and end dates, and more. The reason we do this is to define the scope of our project and provide a clear roadmap for our team. Having established the general parameters, let's move to the Task tab. This is where you'll set up all the tasks related to your project. You'll define each task's name, assign it to a team member, set up deadlines, and more. This helps us because it breaks down the project into manageable parts and assigns responsibility, ensuring every task is taken care of. Lastly, switch to the Milestones tab. Here, you'll set up significant deadlines or goals that need to be achieved during the project. Let me explain why this matters. Milestones act as markers of progress, and they help keep the team motivated and focused on the end goal. And voila, you've successfully set up a project control system in Zoho Project. The steps we've covered today are the backbone of any project, providing a clear structure and ensuring effective management. Remember, the key to a successful project is good organization and clear communication, which is exactly what this system helps you achieve. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, with Zoho Project, you're always in control. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you next time.